Vans, SUVs, mini trucks coming in next. Some more sponsors, Clemens Construction. Oh, I've already got them, but hey, they get another shout out. Vivid Painting, the exclusive people tonight that are bringing you this show. Exclusive sponsors here at the Lodi Agricultural Fair. Katie's Bar and Grill, Lake Wisconsin Concrete, Larson Keeney Home Services, Lodi EMS Fire and Police. Diamond sponsors, Brian Schmidt Enterprises LLC and SNL Underground. They keep tonight's show moving heat after heat, providing the crews and heavy equipment needed throughout the event and working hours into the night. Vivid Painting LLC, from residential and commercial painting to their recent work refinishing the fair kitchen and grandstand fence. Vivid Painting brings quality craftsmanship backed by more than 15 years of experience. A huge thank you to Vivid Painting for helping make tonight's show possible. Looks like parts of this track are working in pretty nice. Waiting on 7 more. Vans, SUVs, and mini trucks. Pretty good crowd here tonight. Hey Facebook, I don't own the rights to this music, so don't shut me down. Tyler, you're welcome. All right, let's go over these sponsors over here on the wall again, I guess, while we wait.
Minivans, SUVs, small trucks with 70.
Yeah, that is good music, Faith. I just don't want Facebook shutting me down for it.
Bring them on over. Because eventually I'm going to get more, but I'm going to Google on my phone.
Hey, I got one more sponsor I got to shout out. Watch this. There you go, Burke's Trim Services out of Mount Horeb, Wisconsin. Adam and Carter Burkhalter will take care of all your mowing and trimming needs. Give them a call. I give you their number, but it's on the back of my shirt, and nobody wants to see me take my shirt off here, so we'll have to get it to you later.
Also, if you want your instant replay of the show tonight, seeing that right off the post, then yeah, definitely check out his Facebook, Micah Compass, COPPES on Facebook. And also, if you're watching in Florida Facebook live streaming, if you see it and you're liking, be sure to screen record it because Facebook will cut it off after 30 days. And we gotta think about
All right, guys, I apologize. I might just have to start not going live as quick here at this show. The pits are a little further away. I think we're still waiting on 6 more vehicles for this heat.
So I think we're going to be missing one car from the group, but I can't imagine 6 cars can't start up.
A big thank you to Corey Ryan and the Lodi Agricultural Fair. 160 years strong here in the state of Wisconsin. Could possibly be the oldest fair in the state of Wisconsin. I want to thank them for bringing me here this weekend. I really appreciate it, being my first show of the year, so thank you. Great facilities, pretty sweet track, massive grandstands. I think they said they can get 2,500 in here with standing room. Now that the sun's down, I can walk left without any issues. That was kind of the problem for the full size. Hey, I hear something.
Let's see, what do we got here? Got a new truck.
All right, I see some more movement back there in the pits. Throwing that driver some gloves. They gotta have gloves on. Hi, Haley. Tonight's title sponsor is Vivid Painting. You're welcome, Juanita. Look at these guys watching. Hey!
Tractor buttoned up and drivers are ready. We got eight running. Only three are taking some money. One's taking a lot of money. Double bump. This one.
2,500 to win.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's Derby. Throw the dog. Red flag for a fire and a tire. Okay, you guys, after this there's going to be an intermission. I don't know how long that is for, but as soon as we get the next class out, which is a gut and go, I'll come back live. That's another 2,500 to win class. Then we'll finish off with that truck class. Should be a banger out here. 4 grand to win.
up again. We got ourselves a 2-fire rule, so unfortunately, R02 is gonna have to be done. But hey, how about if we're driving on 3 wheels? Pretty good show, eh?
I'm moving over here because I'm guessing this guy's got an open shot. Just a guess. I don't know if he's going to take it or not, but he's got it.
Okay, so at the moment,
Now I guess they're going to move that SUV over there. Oh, he got himself off. He's out because of the 2 fires. They moved him just to kind of make the action better, guys.
we're good. 86 cylinder, we're good.
That guy, he's gonna hit that guy, I'm guessing. Or maybe not. That front car has a pretty good tank protector in it. They're telling the 27 JB right now that he's got to separate and hit. And he is on the clock.
I guess you'll do it. All righty. So, here's the second place. What do we got here?
There you have it, folks.
Those cables are getting a little hot in there. Can you explain to the folks out there what you were seeing, what we were all seeing in there? The battery cable was glowing red.
The battery cable was glowing red, he said.
So how about it? Poor hard driver in the R1 in the Durango. Hold in second place. 62 years old today. Happy birthday.
Congratulations, boss. Good job, man.
All right. We got the 27 AR in the van here. How's it going? Very good. All right, so let's talk about this run. You know, you had a field of 7 other vehicles out there. Was there anybody that you were really keeping a close eye on when you're driving? Pretty much everyone. I mean, I had nowhere any use.
All right, you guys, like I said, we're going to have an intermission. I don't know how long that's going to be. Maybe 5-10 minutes, I would guess. Oop, get my finger out of there. And then we got Gut and Go. That's another 2,500 to win class. And then we're going to finish it off with the trucks. Full-size trucks. There's a pile of them, so that should be a pretty crazy heat. That's 4,000 to win, so I will be back as soon as the intermission is over. All right, thanks for watching.
Alrighty, in number 27, J.R. Jordan. Congratulations. Get a little bit